started shoveling. Got the side cleared. There's the abominable snowman. Go around here. Let me make one lane for you here. Did we get enough snow, Corolla? What do you think? Did we get enough snow?
We got enough snow.
We did? Alright. Alright, Scott. Take your gloves off so you can handle this. It's rolling. Oh, it's rolling.
Okay. Yeah? You gonna teach us how to tie your shoes next, Mr. Rogers?
Yes. Go ahead. Hey, look. Make sure you got me in the
I'm filming. You're in it.
Alright. Now come out here. Wait a minute. Let me get my gloves on. Come out here.
Out there.
Over here. Look what I got. I got a tool. Come here. Don't from back there. Don't from back there.
Yeah, I did most of it, but you can take credit anyway.
What happened? What'd you do?
What?
What did you do? Reset it. What are you talking about?
And I said I did most of it.
You did most of it? Oh.
See that driveway? Didn't used to be a driveway.
Is it still rolling?
Yeah.
How's my spacesuit? Yeah, we got the viewfinder. Don't aim the camera. Aim it.
I am aiming it. You're right smack dab in the middle.
Alright. How deep is this?
I'm not like,
How deep is this? Here. Don't
It's
do that.
27 inches.
This is plowed snow. Look at how my side of my car is plowed and get that.
Oh, you want me to do a 360-degree panorama view? I turn it on.